How to fix TikTok call option not showing. To fix this issue, first of all, long press on the application and tap on the app info, the I logo, and tap on it. Now once the interface is loaded, tap on the permissions section. Now to allow your call, tap on the contacts and make sure that this is on allow. And also make sure that your microphone also is on allow, and so is your camera, just in case. After that, simply open the TikTok application. Then simply tap on the profile section and tap on the menu at the top. Go to the settings and privacy. From here, simply scroll down until you find direct messages. You'll find it under interaction and tap on it. From here, go to the permission settings and you just have to change who can send you messages. Now tap on potential connection and make sure that they are on request, and go to the others on TikTok and also make sure that they are on request so that even if they are not friend to you, you get a message from them, due to which they'll be able to make call to you if you contact them back. And in your settings, simply scroll down and tap on free up space. Clear your cache from here. Tap on clear and tap on clear. This problem also could be because you have not updated the application. For that, simply head over to in your Play Store, search for the application and make sure you have the up-to-date version. If there is an update sign, make sure to tap on it so you get the latest version. And that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.